In this video, I'll show you how to get free virtual credit card on PC. Open your internet browser and go to umoney.ru. Now click on your profile's arrow, and there, click on cards. Wait for it to load. And then in here, you're going to check on or choose as to which card you're going to be using. In this example, I'm going to click on virtual. Now you need to wait for the website to load. Click on it once again, and this will lead you to your card information already on another window. In here, you can choose what to do or you can't do with this card. In here, you can scroll down and check on the settings. Now you can click on view. This time, you need to wait for it to load again. Once the window has loaded, all you gotta do right now is type in the 4 digits that you used to register, the phone number that you used to register in this account. I'm gonna do the same thing as well by typing the last 4 digits of my phone number. Once you're done typing the last 4 digits of your phone number, it's gonna send you a code. And then all you gotta do is type in the code and hit enter. Once done, it will show you the details of the bank card that you can use to pay in online stores. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.